Welcome students in the series of operations on large numbers. Today's topic is division. What is division? Division is sharing equally or distributing equally. For example, see here 11 divided by 2. We have to divide 11 by 2. How we can do this? We will write in this symbol of division 11 inside this symbol and 2 will be here. 11 is dividend. 11 is a number which is divided. That is called dividend. And 2 is the number by which we divide. That is called divisor. So how we divide actually? We will ask one question, that how many 2's fit in 11? 2 ones are 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10 and 2 6's are 12. So definitely not 6 2's. There will be 5 2's. It means 2 5's are 10. So this question we will ask every time when we divide, that how many 2's we require to make 11. So we have 2 5's are 10. So we will write 10 here and we will do minus 11 minus 10, 1, and 1 is less than 2. So 1 is our remainder and 5 is the result of division, that is called quotient. So it is a method by which we can easily divide. Here 11 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 5 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Let us see few properties of division. First is dividing a number by itself is equal to 1. See here 4394 divided by 4394. Then the result will be 1. Second is dividing a number by 1 is equal to the number itself. How it is? Just see here 65,895 divided by 1. If we divide any number by 1, we get that number itself. It means the answer will be 65,895. Then dividing 0 by any number is equal to 0. It means if we divide 0 by any number, for example here 0 divided by 12,156, the answer will be 0. Any number will be, if we divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0 only. Then dividing any number by 0 is not defined. Yes, remember it is meaningless. So 2893 divided by 0 is meaningless. Let us discuss division by multiple of 10. And today I am going to tell you the direct method to find out quotient and remainder for any division where it is related to the multiple of 10. See here, division by 10. At first we will take this condition, 296 divided by 10. Now I am going to tell you directly what is a quotient and what is a remainder. How? In 10 there is 1 0. So we will just leave ones place number. We will just hide that ones place number and the remaining numbers are 29. So 29 is the quotient for this sum and that ones place digit 6 is our remainder. See, it is our answer. Quotient equal to 29 and remainder equal to 6. Just see few more questions. Division by 100. If there is a question where 100 is divisor, then what we will do? Same. Here are number of zeros are 2. So we will just hide ones and tens place number. And remaining is 45. So 45 is our quotient and these 94 ones and tens place digit 94 is our remainder. Just take another division by 1000. Here is your question, 6893 divided by 1000. Now what we will do? Here are 3 zeros in 1000. So what we will do, we will hide ones, tens and hundred digits number. We will hide these numbers and remaining is 6. So that 6 is our quotient and these ones, tens and hundred digits number, it means 893 is our remainder. Then division by 10,000. How we will do it? See here. Here is 4,15,158 divided by 10,000. What we will do? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. There are 4 zeros. That's why ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Up to thousands place we will hide and the remaining is 41. So that 41 is our question and these remaining number, it means 5,158 is our remainder. Then division by 1 lakh. Very simple, just like that. 8,98,425 divided by 1 lakh. Here are how many zeros? Yes, 5 zeros. It means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Up to 10,000 place we will hide and remaining is 8. So it means 8 is our question and remaining numbers 98,425 is our remainder. So we can tell directly what is the question and what is the remainder. Let us perform division on a large number. At first, I will take this question. 51,958 divided by 23. At first, we will write this question in a form of division like this. Now, there are two options. Either make a table of 23 in a rough column and perform the division, or either go for a method of estimation. I am going for the method of estimation. So, you can also learn that. 23. Let us assume it is 20, nearby number, that is 20. Now, just ask a question. How many 20s can be fit in 51? 22s are equals to 40. 23s are equals to 60. 60 is greater than 51. That's why 22s are equals to 40. Two 20s can be fit. It means let us see how many 23 twos are. 23 twos are equals to 46. So here we will write 23 twos are and we will write 46 and we will subtract it and we will write down this number 9 here and our new number will be 59. Now again ask the same question. How many 20s can be fit in 59? So again 22s are equals to 40 and 23s are equals to 60. 60 is greater than 59. That's why 22s are. Similarly 23 twos are we will consider. So 23 twos are and again we will write 46. We will subtract it and we will write down this number 5 and our new number is 135. Again ask the question. How many 20s can be fit in 135? 26 are equals to 120, 27 are equals to 140 and 140 is greater than 135. It means 26 are. Let us find out what is 23 6 are. 23 6 are equals to 138 which is greater than 135. It means we have to consider 23 5s are, which is 115. So we will write 5 here and 115 here and we will subtract it as well as we will write down this number 8 here and our new number is 208. Again ask the same question. 20. How many 20s can be fit in 208? Again 20 tens are equals to 200. So it means 10 20s can be fit but 23 tens are equals to 230 which is greater than 208. It means we will consider 23 nines which is equal to 207. That's why we will write 9 here and 207 here. We will subtract it and now it is 1 and 1 is less than 23. So 1 is our remainder and our quotient is 2259 and our remainder is 1. Now division by a 3-digit number. Here is your question. Your question is 15,67,892 divided by 312. At first we will write the question in a form of division like this. Now again Either you have to make the table of 312 in a rough column and then you can perform division, or either you can go through estimation. So I am going through estimation. 312. Let us assume it is 300. Now, how many 300 can be fit in 1567? Yes, 300 fives are equals to 1500. So let us see 312 fives are. That is equal to 1560, or we can say 1560, and which is less than 1567. It means yes, our estimation is right. That is 312 fives are, and we will write 1560 here. We will subtract it and we will write down this number 8 here. Now it is 78 when we write 8, and you know 78 is less than 312. That's why we will put 0 and we will write down 9 here. Now it is 789, which is greater than 312, and now we can divide by 312. Again ask the question, how many 300s can be fit in 789? 300 twos are equals to 600. 300 threes are equals to 900. So let us see 312 twos are. 312 twos are equals to 624. Yes, so we will write down 2 here and 624 here. We will subtract it and we will write down this number 2 here, and our new number is 1652. Again estimation. 300. How many 300s can be fit in 1652? 300 5s are equals to 1500 and 306 are equals to 1800. Definitely 300 fives are. It means 312 fives are, which is equal to 1560. We already know. So it means here we will write 312 fives are, which is equal to 1560. We will subtract it and our remainder is 92. So 92 is our remainder and 5025 is our quotient. Let us take one more question, that is 70,17,071 divided by 259. At first we will write this question in a form of division like this. Now I am going to the method that is estimating. So I am just assuming it is 250. I am just assuming 259 as 250. Because I know the table of 25 and you also have to learn the table of 25. It helps you a lot. So with the help of this table of 250, at first I will ask the question, how many 250s can be fit in 701? And yes, 252s are equals to 500 and 253s are equals to 750. It means 252s are. So let us see what is 259 twos are, and that is equals to 518. It means yes, 259 twos are, that is equals to 518. We will subtract that and we will write down this number 7. Now it is our new number 1837. Again we will ask the question, how many 250s can be fit in 1837? And we know that 257s are equals to 1750 and 258s are equals to 2000, which is greater than. It means 257s are. Let us see what is 259 sevens are. That is equals to 1813, which is quite nearby. So we will write down here 259 sevens are and 1813. We will subtract that and we will write down 0. But what we can see when we write down 0 here, it is 250. 250 is less than 259. That's why we will put 10 here and we will write down one more digit, that is 7. Now it is greater than 259. Again we will ask the same question, how many 250s can be fit? And we know that 250 tens are equals to 2500, so 259s are. Let us see what is 259 nines are. That is equals to this. It means here it is 9 and it is 2331. We will subtract that and we will write down this digit 1 here. This is 761. Again we will ask the same question, how many 250s? So we know that 252s are equals to 500 and 253s are equals to 750. Definitely 259 threes are will be more than 761. That's why we will go for 259 twos are. And we know that 259 twos are equals to 580. We will subtract it and yes, it is our remainder 253 because it is less than 259 and our quotient is 27,092. After this, we will solve few questions related to word problem. You know, word problem of division, I already told you that word problem of any operation indicate itself by using these keywords. So remember these keywords for division: divide, each, cut up, share, half, how many, like this. So let us try one word problem. Now let us take one more example. What must 789 be multiplied by to give 78,97,890? For this question, let us assume that 789 must be multiplied by y. Now it means 789 multiplied by y equals to this 78,97,890. Now we have to find out the value of y. By how? Yes, through transferring. We have to transfer 789 to other side. And for that, always remember, because 789 is a form of multiplication, but when it will be transferred to other side, it will become in a form of division. So like this, it means y equals to 78,97,890 divided by 789. We will write this question in a form of division now. And now it is very simple kind of division because here we have to use only one multiplication, that is 789 ones are 789, right? So it is very simple. We will subtract it and you know that 789 minus 789 equals to 0. Now what we have to do? We have to write down 7. But 7 is smaller than 789. So we will write 0 here. Now we will write 8 also. Now it will become 78. Again 78 is also less than. So we will write down 9 here and 0 here. So now it will be 789. Now it can be divided by 789. 789 ones are 789. And again we will subtract it and we will write down the 0 here. And you know that 0 is less than. That's why here it is. So your quotient is 10,010 and your remainder is 0. Let us take one more question. What is 532 and part of 10,04,416? And you know, just simplify this question. When we have to find out what is fourth part of anything, what you do? Actually, you divide it. So similar way, it is a question of division. Just you have to identify that it is a question of division. It means we have to divide 10,04,416 by 532 and we will write it in form of division like this. Now again we will ask the same question. How many 500s can be fit in 1004? Right? So 502s are equals to 1000 and 503s are equals to 1500. Definitely 502s are. So just see what is 532 twos are. Yes, it is 1064 and it is greater than 1004. It means it can be divisible by 532 ones only. Right? Now we will subtract it and we will write down this 4 also here and our new number will be this. Now again ask the same question. How many 500s can be fit in 4724? So 500 nines are equals to 4500. So let us see what is 532 nines are. Yes, it is 4788, which is greater than 4724. So let us see what is 532 eights are. Yes, it is correct. 4256. It means here we will write 8 and 4256 here. We will subtract it and we will write down this 1 here. And yes, it is 4681. Now again it is divisible by 532 eights are. And we know that 532 eights are equals to 4256. We will subtract it and we will write down this number also here 6. Now it is 4256 and again it is divisible by 8 and fully divisible by 8. Just see. Yes, it is fully divisible. See 4256 and when we subtract this your remainder is 0. And what is your quotient? 1888. Very simple it is.
Next question is 52,895 chocolates need to be packed equally in 112 containers. How many chocolates will be there in each pack? Is there any chocolate left unpacked? In this question, what is given to you? Total number of chocolates, which are 52,895. Number of containers, 112. We need to pack these chocolates in these containers and we need to find out number of chocolates in one container. It means we need to divide 52,895 by 112. Let us divide 52,895 by 112. So how many 112s will be fit in 528? Let us check. 112 fours are 448. It means 112 fours are 448. Let us subtract it and we will get 809. Now, let us find out how many 112s will be fit in 809. So here it is 112 sevens are equals to 784. So we will do 112 sevens are, that is 784. We will subtract it and what we will get? We will get 25 and we will write down 5. So it is 255. Now how many 112s will be fit in 255? 112 twos are 224. So we will write down like this and it is 224. We will subtract it and we will get 31, that is remainder. It means 472 is quotient in this number and 31 is remainder. So we can say that number of chocolates in one pack equal to 472 and number of chocolates left unpacked equals to 31.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.